Hey Phoenixes, you're here with Daniela Langford of Redesign Your Life Forever, and welcome to another episode of Free Create Fridays. Redesign Your Life Forever's Friday creative inspirational episodes. And we have been on a DIY natural beauty tangent, and I can't be happier about it. These are all kinds of things that I make for myself, for my skincare, for my body care. I use them to give away as gifts all the time, and people absolutely go gaga over them. And today I'm going to share another one-hit wonder with you. I shouldn't say one-hit wonder, because the ingredients for this are universal. You can absolutely use any of these ingredients, just by themselves alone. These three ingredients, which by the way, there are only three, are absolutely powerful in and of themselves. And you can use them by themselves, you can use them in combination. We're going to be making a turmeric night mask. Now, if you don't know anything about turmeric, it is an absolutely wonderful root herb. And I just can't, we would spend the entire episode just talking about all the wonderful things that turmeric does. It is beneficial for your skin as far as wrinkles and discoloration. It's wonderful for anti-inflammatory. That is a huge one that's anti-inflammatory, which of course, then you put it on your skin. Ta-da! The benefits go on and on and on and on and on. The only drawback that I find to turmeric is that for us fair-skinned ladies, and I'm super Nordic as far as ancestry goes, so hyper fair-skinned, it might dye your skin, as I don't know if you can tell, that is a little yellower than that. I did have a chance to test it out on myself before I taped this video, because I had some left over and I was like, ooh, I need to make some more. Why don't I just go ahead? But that is also why I introduced you to that sugar scrub last weekend, or last week, so that for us fair ladies, that you can combat any dyeing that you see on your skin with that sugar scrub. So of course, not only is the sugar scrub going to exfoliate that dead skin off, that overnight skin, but also the lemon in it will help bleach out any of the discoloration that is left over. So these two in combination, last week's video with our DIY lemon sugar scrub, if you missed out on that, go and check that out. And then in combination with this week's overnight turmeric mask is going to do wonders for your facial skin regimen. Absolutely wonders. Between the ingredients, between those two products, they speak for themselves. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna pop downstairs to the kitchen again, and I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to make this turmeric mask. It literally is 3 ingredients, folks. 3 ingredients, and you can find them all at health food stores, on Amazon, all kinds of places. They are very accessible to get to, and you're gonna absolutely love it. So let's get started. Phoenixes, we are all done with our cute little concoction of turmeric and aloe. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to put on. As you can see, I am pretty much all ready for bed. Hair back in my sports bra. Ready for bed, okay? I've just got all the lights on right now so you can actually see me. But I'm going to go ahead and brush this on. Now this is just a nice, cheap, easy brush that you can get from just about anywhere. And of course I have not used this for painting, so please don't use this for your acrylic and your oil painting and then use it for your face. That would probably not be super awesome. Your body would probably not appreciate that too much. It's being a little drippy, but that's okay. So again, some of you may worry about this staining your skin, and I can certainly understand that for those of us who are hyper fair skinned, but I promise you that if you use that sugar scrub that we made last week, that it will exfoliate right off. And I'm actually going to prove it to you by putting this on, okay? Make sure you get some under the eyes, but you don't want to go right under your eye, but just some under the eyes, because it's always good to get some turmeric under the eyes for those bags and that, you know, the sadness, dark circles. All right, so I'm going to prove this to you because I'm going to come to you tomorrow morning after I've slept in this and show you my fresh, clean face after I have wiped it all down with our sugar scrub. And next week, while I'm in this fun little pumpkin face, next week I'm going to switch it up a bit because I have been wanting to do some food tutorials because I am also super into making all of your own food as much as you can. I went on a huge journey this summer and started my own backyard organic garden, herbal garden, vegetable garden, all of these things. Ooh, I can start to feel it tingle. And it has been an absolutely wonderful journey. So that has led to pickling and making sauerkraut and all kinds of awesome things, making my own bruschetta, which, oh my God, you guys. But point being is that I want to bring you in on how easy it can be to make some of your own stuff the way that our grandparents and great-grandparents and all of them used to do, and start bringing you into that field because it is so awesome to be able to grow something in your own garden and then make something else out of it on top of it that you can use and that your family will enjoy, and you know exactly where the ingredients are, where they came from, how much of whatever is in what. And with all of the food sensitivities that we have going around, particularly with our kids nowadays, this is an absolutely wonderful field to start delving into. So this is Daniela of Redesign Your Life Forever. I'm going to show you a quick little video of me in the morning, but I want to say good night now and I will see you next time. Good morning, Phoenixes. Daniela here again, and I just wanted to show you, as you can see, it's all washed off, and I do not look like an Oompa Loompa. It did take 2 applications of the sugar scrub because, you know, it's sat overnight, and turmeric is a fabric dye, you know, so ergo. And I really, you know, like the way that it came out, but you may notice that my face is a little redder than usual, and that's pretty much, I believe, because I used a little too high of a concentration of essential oil in that mix. So as always, remember with essential oils, less is more. I just sometimes happen to get a little essential oil happy, put a few more, 5 more or 10 more drops in there than I probably should for the sensitivity of my skin. You will learn what is best for you. And of course, if you want to try this out and you're worried about looking like an Oompa Loompa going to work the next day, you can always give yourself a spa day over the weekend and put this on, put that on overnight. Use it with the sugar scrub in the morning and then see how it works for you. All right, my lovelies, I just want to come on here really quickly and show you my beautiful face and how it all washed off, and I'll let you know about the special edition Food Free Create Friday I'm doing next week, which I may have mentioned yesterday, I don't remember, and also plugging my new online course that is going to be coming on Thinkific here as soon as possible. It is taking quite some rigorous time to create this course for you all, as detailed and in-depth as I would like. So that's going to be Intuition Rejuvenation 101, sharing with you the secrets, tips to getting in touch with your higher self, your intuition, your guides, communicating with them daily, basically on a first name basis, getting to use all of your gifts and abilities as a, co-creator, as a divine spark of source, all of those wonderful things to transform the quality of your life. So keep an eye out for that. And of course, I will make lots of posts when it does come out. So just keep an eye out for that, my lovelies. And this has been Daniela of Redesign Your Life Forever. And I will see you next week for our awesome food edition. I can't wait. Oh my God, I'm so excited to do this with you all. And I will see you then.